Here I have Samsung Galaxy F23, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So let's open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, select swipe shutter button 2 and set it to take a burst shot. And now to take a burst shot, all you need to do is to just swipe down a shutter button like this, and after that your device will take a burst shot. So as you can see, I took like 23 shots, and here we can see them all. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.